Hello, welcome to Lection 4. In this lesson, we are going to learn about asking questions in German. Was means what? Here are some examples. Was machst du? What are you doing?
Was sagen Sie? What are you saying? Was ist hier los? What is going on here? Next is Warum means why. Warum bist du müde? Why are you tired? Warum ich? Why me? Aber warum? But why? Next is Welch. Welch means which. Welch is changing according to the gender. According to masculine singular, welcher. Examples will be welcher Mann. Which man? Welcher Hund is brown? Which dog is brown? For feminine singular, welcher. As examples, welche Frau? Which woman? Welche Katze is brown? Which cat is brown? For neuter singular, welches. Let's see some examples. Welches Kind? Which child? How to say how much and how many. Wie viel? How much? Wie viele? How many? Wie viele Fotos hast du? How many photos do you have? Wie viel kostet das? How much does that cost?